Hello everybody, let me show you what it is included in the 3D brushes. In the set, you have 74 brushes plus 3 color palettes. With this set of brushes, you will be able to create from 3D calligraphy designs to any other dynamic 3D effect in just a few brush strokes. The whole set is divided into different groups depending on the effect that you would like to create. So let me show you all the brushes included. Firstly, we have the main brushes, which are these 8 3D brushes. You can add depth and dimension to your illustrations, and each brush offers a unique touch with a different lightening and shadows. If you pay attention, some of them, they might look glossier than others. Next we have the 3D shadow brushes. They are the same as the previous brushes, but these brushes they have the particularity of including a shadow behind the brushstroke, as you can see here. Let me show you how they look, all 8 of them. Next we have the 3D Simple, and the unique feature of these brushes is that the thickness remains consistent regardless of the pressure that you apply, unlike any of the other brushes. They're really good when you want to create like a calligraphy or lettering design where all your letters they have the same thickness. Then we have the 3D flat brushes, and these 10 brushes have the unique characteristic of being longer or flatter compared to the brushes mentioned earlier. They're great for calligraphy designs. Then we have the fluid brushes, and these brushes in comparison to the others, they are more glossier. They are more pressure sensitive, so depending on the pressure that you apply, it's gonna be thicker or thinner, which makes them like a more fluid-like feel when you use them. Then we have these 3D block brushes, which combines 3D and flat designs. These 10 brushes offer a modern and graphic aesthetic, incorporating a three-dimensional look. The difference between them lies on the presence of shadows and on the type of the edges. Similar to the brushes above, these 10 brushes are longer in length. They are also ideal for lettering designs and calligraphy, providing excellent precision and effects. Finally, we have the 10 texture 3D brushes, and they not only create a 3D effect but also incorporate a captivating textures into your artwork. Finally, we have the two blend of shadow brushes. When you use them in this merge tool, these brushes are designed to merge two brush strokes together. For example, here I selected Alpha Lock, and now with the Smudge tool, I'm gonna merge those two brush strokes. Another idea to use this brush it is to add shadows or lightning into your designs, as you can see here in this demonstration. The three color palette included a 3D, sphere, and cylinder. When using these brushes, you need to take into account of using two colors, one primary and one secondary color. We always are going to use a darker color as the primary color because that would be the tone that you will use for the edges. If you use a lighter color as your primary, you will see that the edges they will be lighter. If you go into the 3D color palette, you will notice that each tone has three colors, one dark, one medium, and one light. The idea is when you are selecting the colors for your 3D effect, just always select like a darker tone for the primary color and the lighter for the secondary color. For example, let's try now with this brush. I'm gonna select a light blue as my secondary color and a darker blue for the primary. And you can see how the effect looks. Let's try one more time. This time I'm gonna select like a light purple and a darker one. Remember, the darker one always has your primary. And you can create a very cool effect like that. We hope you enjoy the brushes and please tag us at the School of Illustration if you use them. Bye bye!